how to uninstall games from Microsoft Store. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to uninstall the games or apps from the Microsoft Store. So let's get started. On this process, after you open the Microsoft Store, you'll got such interface. So from your at the bottom left corner, after you click on library, you'll be able to see every apps you have been installed on your PC. So from your unfortunately, here is no any options like you can directly uninstall the apps or games from the Microsoft Store. So for that, you'll have to just exit from here and you have to click on your Windows icon just at the bottom of your taskbar. So simply click on Windows icon. Alright, so from your at the top right, click on all. Okay, so from this interface, you can easily find every apps and game that you have been installed on your PC or laptop. So from your, you'll have to just select any one of this application from here, and after you select it, you'll have to just do right click on that, and after you do right click, you can easily get the options like uninstall. So simply click on that. Alright, so after you click on that option, you'll be able to see options like uninstall. So you have to just click on that uninstall option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully uninstalled that Spotify app from my PC or laptop. So in this way, you can also remove or uninstall the application or games from your Windows PC or laptop. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.